Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace rear wiper blade on Renault Megane 4 in 4 easy steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. You cannot lift the windscreen wiper up from the windshield like any other cars. So first you have to slide the wiper arm to the right side of the car and then lift it up. Let me show again. Slide to the right and then lift it up. If you take the plastic cap out, you can see that wiper arm has a different mechanism, and that's why you have to pull it to the right and then lift it up. Then rotate the wiper arm until it comes out. You can find new rear wiper blade for Renault Megane 4 at the best quality in the video description below. So rotate it and then take it out. It's very simple. Then install the new wiper blade on the wiper arm. Just clip it and place the wiper arm back on the rear windshield. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.